Before you start pumping, let's get to know your breast pump. Most pumps have 5 main parts. 1. The flanges, also called breast shields. These go over your breasts. 2. Valves and membranes, which help create suction. 3. The bottles or milk containers, where the milk collects. 4. Tubing, which connects everything to the motor. And 5. The motor unit, which powers the pump. Your pump might look a little different, but the basics are the same. Up next, I'll show you how to put it all together. Part 2. Assembling the breast pump. Let's assemble your breast pump. Step 1. Connect the valve to the flange. Step 2. Attach the membrane to the valve if it's separate. Step 3. Screw the bottle onto the bottom of the flange. Step 4. Connect the tubing to the flange, and then to the motor. Make sure all parts are tight and secure, loose parts can affect suction. That's it. You're ready to pump. Part 3. How to use the pump. Time to pump. First, place the flanges over your nipples. Make sure they're centered and snug. Turn on the pump and start in stimulation mode. This mimics a baby's quick sucking to trigger letdown. After 1 to 2 minutes, switch to expression mode for deeper suction. Adjust the suction level to what feels comfortable.